mean, look at the smokers here. Reno Outdoor Living. This place is quite impressive. Battleborn smokers. Their house brand of custom smokers. Reno, Nevada. Let's go take a look at see what's inside. Got quite the showroom here at Reno Outdoor Living. Got rows and rows of every type of smoker, grill, built-in, pellet, charcoal. It's quite the gathering of barbecue accessories. If you're here in the local Reno area, Reno, Nevada, come see these guys. They have outdoor kitchen setups, all your accessories, custom smokers. I mean, just far too much to list in this quick video. Again, Reno Outdoor Living, Nevada.